If you are looking for loadouts and meta guns after the update, and buffs and nerfs of the weapons, then watch this video until the end. A new gun was added to the game in the mid-season, which is in the LNG category. You can buy it from the Arsenal store. But the iron sight of this gun has a bug. You must use an optic. This gun is great for long range and mid-range, and you can use this new attachment to get horizontal recoil. The WSP Swarm gun got a bad nerf, but you can still use it with this loadout for close range. If you are looking for another long-range gun, the poco 762 is a good choice, and this loadout will get you started. The next gun is close range, which is not very overpowered, but good, AMR9. Now it's the turn of the rifle, which gives good damage and has a good TTK, and I suggest you definitely try it. SBA 545. The next close range meta is from the WSP family, WSP9, which has a low fire rate but high damage. But the strongest meta of this season is Striker 9, which is a good buff and you can surprise your enemy. The best class if you rush your enemies, this is the combination. Warden perk package, battle rage, and throwing knife. This loadout is also in the mid-range meta and can be very helpful. This is also an amphor attachment. I hope you test these guns and enjoy them and subscribe to our channel.